Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa. وَإِذَا حَضَرَ الْقِسْمَةَ أُولُو الْقُرْبَى وَالْيَتَامَى وَالْمَسَاكِينُ فَارْزُقُوهُم مِّنْهُ وَقُولُوا لَهُمْ قَوْلًا مَّعْرُوفًا. Translation: And if other relatives or orphans and needy are present at the time of division, then provide for them something from it and speak to them kindly with good words. In this ayah, we study that at the time of distribution of wealth of a person, if some people who do not have a defined share in the wealth, and these people may be distant relatives or maybe some other orphans or needy people, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commands that they should also be given something from this wealth which is being distributed. This is a very kind gesture that one can do, because when the wealth is distributed and other people are there, everyone is looking at the wealth and they are thinking that they will get something from the wealth. In a situation where it is not possible to give anything from this wealth to other people, for example, that the wealth is distributed among the little orphans of a person who died and he did not make any wasiyat or any will, then the wealth should only be given to the orphans who are most deserving. At that time, the people who are distributing the wealth should politely tell the other people who are present and who are thinking that they will get something, that this wealth is purely for the orphans of the person who died and they cannot be given anything from this wealth. This should be understood that at any circumstance one must not leave the politeness and must not leave the husn suluk and the good behavior with other people, and this is often very difficult to practice, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is commanding in this ayah that whenever one is denied to be given anything, he should be given good words, and this is a type of behavior that does not cost any money, but it is good for the person who is distributing the wealth, and it is good for the person who is denied to be given anything from the distributed wealth. And this topic is repeated elsewhere in Quran, that the words reflect the iman, and person should always try to use the good words in any situation. Let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. O Allah, help us act on the commandments of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.